We're on a journey to make 100 mac and cheeses. Today I decided to turn Buldak ramen into mac and cheese. Here's our culprit, a packet of 2x spicy ramen flavored with artificial chickens. We need to take the spice pack from our ramen and add it to 100 grams of water. This can get heated to a simmer, and I'll grate out 100 grams of cheese. Our cheese can go into a blender along with 4 grams of sodium citrate and our hot spicy artificial chicken water. This can get blended until smooth. Look at that beautiful orange Buldak cheese sauce. Ooh. Then we can just cook our noodles till finished and strain them. Our sauce can be added straight to the noodles before we add our seasoning packet all over the table and our noodles. A little extra cheddar's never hurt anyone, so we'll add some more. And this can go into a bowl and get topped with some breadcrumbs. Yeah, the sauce is pretty thick. It's kind of like eating noodles covered in glue. Give me some of those glue noodles. Does taste pretty good though. Yeah, I give this one like maybe a 7.6. It's not too bad. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe for more mac and cheese. And let me know if there's any mac and cheeses you'd like to see in the future.